Welcome back to RsN Hospitality. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic for anyone working in the food industry, food safety and hygiene. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out, these basics are essential to ensure a safe dining experience for your customers. Let's get started. First up, personal hygiene. Always wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water for at least 20 seconds before handling food, after touching raw meat, and after using the restroom. Clean hands are the first step in preventing contamination. Wear clean uniforms, aprons, and hairnets to keep any contaminants away from the food. And remember, if you're feeling unwell, especially with symptoms like vomiting or diarrhea, it's best to stay away from food preparation areas. Next, let's talk about preventing cross-contamination. Always separate raw and cooked foods. Use different cutting boards and utensils for raw meat and ready-to-eat foods. In the fridge, store raw meat, poultry, and seafood in sealed containers at the bottom to prevent juices from dripping onto other foods. Cooking and temperature control are vital. Ensure food is cooked to the right temperature to kill harmful bacteria. For example, poultry should reach an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 74 degrees Celsius. Also, keep perishable foods refrigerated at or below 40 degrees Fahrenheit or 4 degrees Celsius, and frozen foods at or below 0 degrees Fahrenheit or minus 18 degrees Celsius. Cleaning and sanitizing are key to maintaining a safe kitchen. Regularly clean and sanitize all surfaces, equipment, and utensils used in food preparation. Wash dishes and utensils with hot, soapy water, and sanitize them with a bleach solution. Finally, always use safe water and raw materials. Ensure that the water and ingredients you use are of good quality. Check expiration dates and store food properly to avoid spoilage. By following these basic food safety and hygiene practices, you can help prevent foodborne illnesses and ensure a safe dining experience for your customers. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you next time.